TK.
What
are we bringing to Hyperfest? Everybody wants to know.
We're bringing all the things. So we're gonna bring this Jeep right here with 1 tons and full Terraflex suspension, Warn winch, Chaos Smasher, all the built. Of course we're gonna bring this. How could we not take Chevy Chase everywhere that we go? So we're bringing the RTI ramp so you can test your flex. We're bringing out Chevy Chase, see if you can beat it. Bring something cool. We're gonna jump it, we're gonna send it on all of the tracks. We're gonna bring, well, we gotta bring the blue Bronco over here. So this is an RTR Bronco with a little Chaos twist. We put some Icon suspension love in there. This thing right here, check out this suspension. Icon suspension inside of it. Now what's really unique about this is active suspension. It tunes itself real time, which means that we can do jumpy things and it still looks and drives like a normal Jeep. You can chunk it into corners like a sports car.
Bronco.
Oh man, it's a Bronco. I've been driving Jeeps for so long and I always do this. But you're right, it is a Bronco. Then we're also gonna bring
more Bronco.
More Bronco.
A lot of Bronco.
We're gonna bring a herd of Broncos. You heard that? So we're bringing this Bronco Raptor out. It's on Fox live valve suspension. It's got all the goodness. Have you ever wanted to ride one of these? More importantly, have you ever wanted to jump one? So what's the difference? How do all of these Broncos fly? So we're gonna jump the blue one, we're gonna jump the Raptor, we're gonna jump Maria's yellow Bronco on FabTech suspension. This thing is tuned and dialed legit. A lot of y'all got to ride in it last year. We've upgraded the suspension even more, retuned, revalved the shocks, new heavier spring rates so we can do even more send-it things. We're also bringing this black base Bronco out so that you have some compare and contrast between, a base Bronco and then what these built Chaos Broncos can do. There's nothing wrong with a base Bronco. I'm all about that base. So then we're also gonna bring YetiCon out. It's coming out with all the armor, all the King 2.5-inch internal bypass shocks on it, Terraflex long travel, long arm suspension, Chaos steering, all the goodness. This is Maria's daily driver. On them 20 twins, 20-inch gold methods. Those things are so sexy. And then if I gotta drive a Jeep, my favorite Jeep, well, it's the Black Widow. This is a double throwdown, coilovers, bypasses, cantilever, long arm. This is the one that I go trail guide with. This is the one that I go fast with. This is the one I go jump all of the things with. And of course, overland competitions. This is one of my favorite vehicles right here. Also gonna bring out and do overland things with the AWS Disaster Response Gladiator that we built. Some of y'all saw this on TV a little bit. So we're gonna bring this out, and some of our friends are gonna camp in it, and we'll be using this out on the trails. And but wait, there's more. Come look at this. Your favorite Raptor, long travel, go jump it, go send it. If you haven't signed up for an adrenaline ride yet, they are selling out super fast. There's only so much time in a weekend, and there's only so many rides that we can do. So buy one, buy multiple, bring all your friends if you want to do long travel jumpy things. But we're also bringing out something else. Vaughn hooked us up with this one. We're bringing out this Spec 5 RTR so that we can do drifty things with our friends. This thing absolutely rips. If you hadn't had a chance to be in a Spec 5 RTR, well, this weekend is your chance. We're gonna take this out on the track, we're gonna go slide it around. This thing is a monster. So, come see us at Hyperfest. Let's go play.